Good morning, students. Welcome back after summer vacation. So we are going to start the chapter today. That is arithmetic progression, right? Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic. It always deal with numbers. That branch of math which always deal with numbers, right? So we will study about a certain list of numbers. Um, that is why it is written like this: arithmetic progression. ठीक है, प्रोग्रेस करना, लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स का प्रोग्रेस करना, कैसे कैसे बढ़ते हैं. हाउ कैन यू कैलकुलेट एनी टर्म इन द गिवन given sequence of numbers, and how we can calculate the sum of all the terms given in any list of numbers. So any list of numbers arranged in a regular pattern any list of numbers arranged in a regular pattern according to the rules laid down. ठीक है, any list of numbers arranged in a regular pattern according to certain rules laid down. Certain rules laid down. For example, I say you have to follow the pattern of 3n, right? So what I will write, I will start putting value of n here. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 5, 15. Right? Similarly, I will follow the pattern of 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. So this type of pattern, this type of list of numbers which are arranged in a regular pattern according to the rules laid down, right? So according to the rules laid down, this number is arranged, this sequence of number is arranged. So such list of numbers which are arranged in a regular pattern according to certain laid down rules लिख लो, is called sequence. And if you represent all these sequence by adding positive sign, then it is called series. So series is nothing but is roughly a representation of addition operation of a list of numbers. So जो सीरीज होती है रफली रिप्रेजेंटेशन होती है एडिशन ऑपरेशन की ऑफ अ लिस्ट ऑफ नंबर्स, राइट? तो दैट इज द सीरीज. So I told you arithmetic, it deals with numbers. So any list of numbers which is arranged in a regular pattern according to certain laid down rules. For example, if I follow the sequence of 3n, then you keep on substituting the value of n from your own side. 3 into 1, 3, 3 to the 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, like this. Similarly here 2n, so 2 into 1, 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, right? So such type of list of numbers which are arranged in a regular pattern according to certain laid down rules, that is called sequence. And series is roughly representation of addition operation of a list of numbers. right? Then we come to arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression, it is a list of numbers arranged in such a way that the exceeding number differs from the preceding number by a fixed number या by a constant number. This constant number is called common difference. For example, if you are having series like this, just you study 2, 4, 6, 8. So here 2 is the first term, 4 you add 2 to it, that is the common difference. Then you add 2 to it, then you add 2 to it. So such type of sequence A, you add a fixed number to it, common difference D. So you add D to it, then you again add D to it, A plus 2D. Then you again add D to it, A plus 3D. Then you again add D to it, that is A plus 4D. So such type of numbers which are represented in the form of A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, plus 4D, such type of sequence of numbers is called arithmetic progression. So here A is the first term and D is the common difference. Always keep in mind that D is always obtained by subtracting the exceeding term from the preceding term. बाद वाली term में से पहली वाली term minus करके D obtain करना, right? So जैसे D आ जाएगा A2 minus A1, तो यहाँ पे आ गया 4 minus 2, that is 2. A2 minus A1, बाद वाली टर्म में से पहली वाली टर्म माइनस करनी, कभी पहली वाली में से बाद वाली नहीं करनी. You have to subtract second term from the first term. So list of numbers arranged in such a way that the exceeding number differs from the preceding number. बाद वाला नंबर पहले वाले नंबर से एक कांस्टेंट नंबर से डिफर करता है. जो ये कांस्टेंट नंबर से डिफर करता है, दैट कांस्टेंट नंबर इज कॉल्ड कॉमन डिफरेंस. जैसे सीक्वेंस है ऐसे होगी, अगर 2, 4, 6, 8 है तो फर्स्ट टर्म होगी 2, और डी कैसे ऑब्टेन करना है, कॉमन डिफरेंस. ये जो फिक्स नंबर ऐड हुआ 2 + 2, 4 + 2, ये जो फिक्स नंबर एक ऐड हो रहा है, इसको हम कॉमन डिफरेंस कहते हैं. And it is always obtained by subtracting the previous term from the exceeding term. Preceding term, exceeding term में से बाद वाली term, exceeding term में से preceding term को माइनस करना. बाद वाली term में से पहले 4 में से 2 गए 2, 6 में से 4 गए 2, 8 में से 6 गए 2. So इस तरह की sequence जिसमें the numbers are, list of numbers are arranged in such a way that exceeding term differ from a preceding term by a fixed number या constant number. That constant number is called common difference. Now keep in mind, common difference can be positive, negative or 0. D can be positive, negative or 0. कुछ भी हो सकता है. जो common difference है कुछ भी हो सकता है, जरूरी नहीं है सीरीज इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में हो. ऐसे भी तो हो सकती है 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0, -2 लाइक दिस. सो a 10 हो गया, d यहाँ पे -2 हो गया, तो नेगेटिव आ गया. सो इट इज द नेगेटिव सीरीज. तो हेयर द वैल्यू ऑफ d इज नेगेटिव. ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि d की वैल्यू 0 ही हो, जैसे सीरीज ऐसे हो 10 10 10 10 10 ऐसे इंक्रीज हो रही है. अब d तो बढ़ ही नहीं रहा, तो d यहाँ पे 0 है. So the value of common difference can be positive, here it is 2, can be negative or 0. So that list of numbers which are arranged in such a way that the exceeding member differs from a preceding member by a fixed number called common difference. Now we have the formula to calculate the sum of first n term of an input. For example, a_nth term, we have this formula a_nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. an is the value of nth term. A is the first term. N is the number of terms. And d is the common difference. Common difference is always obtained by subtracting the preceding term from the exceeding term, right? So you have to this is a formula to calculate the value of nth term of an equation. So you have to keep in mind this formula. We will use this formula in coming exercise, that is in first exercise as well as second exercise. Thank you. Have a nice day.